natural health for beginners.
How to make a turmeric mask for skin lightening. In this video, I'll show you how to make a DIY turmeric mask for skin lightening. This natural remedy has been used for centuries to brighten the skin and even out skin tone. Turmeric contains curcumin, a powerful antioxidant with anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce hyperpigmentation and give your skin a radiant glow. Let's dive into the recipe, including the exact quantities you'll need for best results. Ingredients: turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon. Turmeric is the star ingredient that helps brighten your skin and reduce dark spots. Honey, 1 tablespoon. Honey acts as a natural moisturizer and has antibacterial properties, which help to soothe and hydrate the skin. Yogurt or milk, 1 tablespoon. Yogurt is rich in lactic acid, which exfoliates the skin gently, leaving it soft and smooth. If you prefer, you can use milk instead to achieve a similar effect. Lemon juice, optional, 1/2 teaspoon. Lemon juice is a natural astringent and brightening agent. It can help lighten dark spots and even out skin tone. Be cautious, as it can be harsh on sensitive skin. If you have sensitive skin, you might want to skip this ingredient. Instructions: mix ingredients. In a small bowl, combine the turmeric powder, honey, yogurt or milk, and optional lemon juice. Stir the mixture until it forms a smooth, creamy paste. Make sure there are no lumps in the mixture. Application. Before applying the mask, wash your face with a gentle cleanser and pat it dry. Using clean fingers or a brush, apply an even layer of the turmeric mask to your face, avoiding the eye area. Let it sit for about 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse off. After the mask has dried, gently rinse it off with lukewarm water. You may want to use a soft cloth to help remove the mask, as turmeric can stain. Follow up with your favorite moisturizer to keep your skin hydrated. Tips: use this mask 1 to 2 times a week for the best results. Always do a patch test on a small area of skin to make sure you're not allergic to any of the ingredients. If the turmeric leaves a slight yellow tint on your skin, you can use a gentle cleanser or toner to remove it. This simple turmeric mask is a great way to naturally brighten your skin and achieve a more even complexion. With regular use, you'll notice improvements in skin texture, tone, and overall glow. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more DIY skincare tips and tricks. Let me know in the comments how this turmeric mask worked for you.